So next topic under process concept and scheduling is process state diagram. As a process executes, it changes state. Each process may be in one of the following states. So what are the different states? One is a new state, one is ready state, running state, exit state and block state. So what is a new state? This is the initial state when a process is being created but not yet loaded in the main memory. So in the new state, you will have a process and a process will be created, but this process will be not loaded inside the main memory. From the new state, now you will load, that means you will admit it inside the main memory. Ready state, the process is waiting to be assigned to the processor. That means it has not been loaded inside the main memory. It is waiting to be assigned to the processor. So in the ready state, it is waiting. So the process in the new state, it is created and it is not yet assigned to the main memory, not assigned. Once it is assigned to the main memory, it will wait for its turn so that the processor comes and takes up the processor. Running, the process is currently being executed. So from the ready state, it will go in the running state. In the running state, the process will be executed. Process is executed. Waiting state, the process moves in the waiting state if it needs to wait for a resource such as waiting for a user input, waiting for a file to become available. So there is a process P1. Now this process is again the C program for addition and subtraction of numbers. For what? For addition and subtraction of two numbers. So this process was first created. So it is a new state. Then this process goes inside the ready state. After it goes inside the ready state, it gets the processor and it goes in the running state. But now it needs a input from the user, because we say that put input of two numbers so that we can perform the necessary operation. So now from the running state, it will return to the waiting state. From the running state, it goes to the waiting state. Event wait. So it will go over here from the running state because it needs an input from the user. Now next, terminated or exit. Once the process finishes its execution or it is terminated by the operating system, it is moved to the terminating state where it waits to be removed from the main memory. So once it gets this input, it will again go to the ready state. From the ready state, it will go to the running state again. From the running state, it will be executed and it will go to the exit state. So once you get the input from the blocked state or the waiting state, block state or the waiting state, it will go to the ready queue. The ready queue is a ready state, and from the ready state, it will go to the running state, and from the running state, once the process is now completely executed, it will exit out of the processor.